Now, one thing when you're doing mailbox locks, never ever never open the crown lock. Right now this is an alloy. Some of the older ones are different style. They're called crown locks. They open up the whole bank, the whole top and bottom of each unit. So the mail person will open that up, and then they can put the mail in. But as locksmiths, we can work on the mailbox keys, not the mail lock. We can fix the holding, the screws, whatever, and the post office will install it there.
This is real easy. You're just going to drill the shear line. 8-inch drill bit, do it on the shear line. Looky here to make it. Very simple. Open it up. Just take off the little C-clip. Sometimes it's a nut holds it on, but most times it's just a little simple C-clip. Tailpiece gets in the way, we can twist it off. Undo the little nut left to loosen to take off the tailpiece. Boom. Take out the tailpiece, match it up. Our kits come with multiple tailpieces. There's the hole. Now there's all sorts of different brands. This is one we got kicking around. It's got all the multiple tailpieces. And then we lock. Clip in. You can always use the new clip. Use new everything. Don't reuse old stuff. Lock washer, little nut. You just snug. Don't go too crazy, go too tight. It's going to jam up the whole lock. Just do it snug. Lock washer stops it from falling on. There we have the new lock installed. Clip on the back. There's the tailpiece. See, very simple. It just locks in there.